In today's video, I'm going to teach you Add Disclaimer in HubSpot Emails, Easy 2026 Guide. By the end, you'll have a clean, reusable disclaimer added through your HubSpot email signature, so you don't have to paste it manually every time. First, open your HubSpot account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top of the screen for the Settings gear icon. Click that to open your settings. This is where all your personal and account-level preferences live, and it's the right place to manage anything related to your email configuration. Inside Settings, find the Email section under your User Preferences. This area controls how your personal emails behave and appear when you send from HubSpot. Open it up and look for the option labeled Manage Email Signatures. Click that to access the signature editor. You'll see a spot to give your signature a name. Add a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later. Something like Standard Signature with Disclaimer works well. Naming is especially helpful if you maintain multiple signatures for different teams, regions, or use cases. Next, move to the signature body. This is where you'll paste or type your disclaimer below your usual contact details. Keep your core details at the top, like your name, role, and company, and then insert a simple divider or line break before the disclaimer so it's visually separated. For readability, consider a slightly smaller font size or a muted text color for the disclaimer, but avoid anything so light that it becomes hard to read. If your disclaimer references policies or terms, add links using the editor's hyperlink tool. You can also use personalization tokens for items like your company name or address, but keep the disclaimer text itself stable and consistent to meet legal guidance. Aim for concise, plain language that applies globally, unless your organization requires a region-specific version. If accessibility matters to your brand, and it should, ensure the contrast is sufficient and the text isn't tucked into an image. Before you finalize, scan for extra spaces, odd line breaks, or formatting that might look off on mobile. A quick polish now prevents awkward layouts later. When it looks good, click Save. Your signature with the disclaimer is now ready to be used wherever you insert your signature in HubSpot emails. That's it. You've added a compliant, reusable disclaimer right inside your HubSpot signature editor. Keep the content reviewed by your internal stakeholders and revisit it periodically to make sure it stays accurate. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to send with confidence.